Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling precise location so Ola can read GPS coordinates. This reduces pickup errors. Once done, open the Ola app and sign in. If the app asks for location permission, choose Allow while using App or Always for background updates. This step ensures Ola can fetch your current coordinates quickly. Make sure your phone has a stable network connection and GPS icon is visible. Without it, Ola will struggle to place the pin accurately. Now tap the blue location icon or the map center to snap the map to your GPS position. This tells Ola where you are. If the pin lands on a nearby road or wrong entrance, drag it to the exact pickup spot, curb, gate, or lobby, so drivers know where to stop. Once the pin sits correctly, press Set Pickup. This confirms the coordinates with Ola's system and start searching for drivers. Keep the map visible until a driver accepts so you can adjust if needed. Finish by checking the estimated pickup time and driver details, then confirm the ride request. If the pin is still off, try toggling GPS off and on or switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to refresh location. This often recenters the map. Once a driver is assigned, communicate precise instructions through call or in-app chat so they can find you. If nothing works, restart the app. That forces a location refresh and typically resolves stubborn positioning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.